Alright, so I done just welded that with the cheapy 7018. Okay, that's about how much I got left. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna chip it, and put my glove on because it's hot. And Excalibur rods, the slag usually chips off really good. If I let this cool for a minute, it might curl off on its own, but a lot of times out in the field, people are in a rush, so let's see how easy this comes off. Well, that's not bad at all. Well, I tell you what, that ain't the prettiest weld in the world. You can see I'm not really steady, where I sped up and slowed down and stuff. But by God, I tell you what, that is not bad. So that right there at 129 amps, so that's what I'm trying to tell you. That's hooked up to the 220. So there you go. Bam. So now I'm gonna run it with the crappy rods, but the 332nd. They're a little bit tinier.